everyone? Let's collect fruits and leaves.
Yes, Mother.
Teamwork makes the work easy.
I'll carry the big fruit. Little ant, can you bring the leaves?
Yes, Dad. I may be small, but I can help too. Let's go, let's go. Come on, keep up. I'm almost there.
Wow, you are all working so hard. Aren't you tired? Working together is fun. We help each other every day.
Look! This leaf is bigger than me. Oops, it's carrying me instead.
Now we have enough food for everyone. Great job, family!
Look at that, it's beautiful, flying right over us.
Be careful, it's delicate.
Work hard, help each other, and always do your best.